At the National Farm Machinery Show, New Holland Construction has just announced officially their new line of Super Boom skid steers. This one is out on the display floor. It's a beautiful looking machine. Thought I'd just make sure you all saw it, as well as an interview that I'm going to post on agwire.com where we can learn all about it. You can see some of the others, like this one over here with tracks that are also out here on the floor. So this is the new line. We got another one over here on this side. The show has been very busy today, which is a good thing. This one they call Big Blue, by the way. I'm not sure this one will not be in general production, at least with this scheme and all the things that you see on it. But it's a great show vehicle for the launch of the new skid steers. And it is getting a lot of attention. These are, by the way, as I think all of them, made in Wichita, Kansas. Which I did not know, but I learned just a little while ago. So that's it, the new Super Boom skid steers from New Holland Construction.